Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to repair a special board which came from one of the user from the YouTube, that is from you people. So here is the courier which I received. It's a desktop board which came from, I don't know where it is came, but the problem is same thing which I already posted a video, that is USB problem which is giving an error message. So let's try to fix this problem and see whether we'll be able to fix this, because many a times we did not succeed repairing the board. We can't be sure of it whether we can fix it or not, but I'll try to make a video out of it. So let's see what's going to happen. Stay tuned. So guys, here we have opened the board and connected it, and the user has sent RAM, heatsink attached, and the motherboard. SMPS is from us. Now let's power on and show you what is the problem. So it is turned on, and here is the monitor. I have not attached it. Let me attach. Okay, so we attached the HDMI. Now let's see. Power is on. Still no display. Okay, so it's turned off. Now let's restart. Now it is on. You can see the message here. Overcurrent have been detected on your USB device. System will shut down after 15 seconds to protect your main board. So as you saw my old video, it was the same problem. If you are not watch it, we can watch it on the I button here above. So let's try to repair this board. Actually, this repair is a hectic job. We have so many 6 legs ICs, small ICs in the board here. We have to check one by one because there are so many USB ports in this board, and the area of this board is very small. So if you want to remove anything and you want to place it back, it's quite difficult. So anyhow, we already fixed it. Okay, and how did we fix it? I'm going to explain you, because it was taking quite time. Almost I have spent half day behind this, and finally we did it. Actually, earlier one of the users of our channel has also sent similar board, but unfortunately we couldn't fix it, so we had to return it back. And this time I thought, let's give a full try, and finally we did it. Okay, so I couldn't cover it one by one because it was taking a lot of time, but now since I fixed it, I'm going to explain you one by one. Hopefully after watching this video you may be able to fix it if you get this board. Unlike the older board, this time there is a different component which is faulty. You may be aware of that there are components which we need to remove it one by one, and that is the protective circuit, we can say. Or sometimes it's a BIOS, or sometimes it's a dirt, or sometimes something. But ultimately, if those things doesn't work, then finally it could be the component failure. Okay, so let me show you one by one. So guys, here is the board, and we started repairing from this side. Actually we are supposed to start it from here, but we touched this part and then we jumped here, because luckily we had a schematic and board view available. So we thought, let's start from this side itself. So let me show you a schematic. So here is the schematic. You can see it's Msi 7A40 model. This board is MSI and it's 7A40. Okay, and then here we have board view. So from here we did some R&D, and then we shifted this side. So you can see here USB 1 starting from this place. So whichever this IC is connected, 6-pin ICs, you can say protective circuits, we had to remove it. So let me zoom it and show you. So here it is. You can see this IC we removed and this IC we removed. It was quite difficult to put it back because of low space, and there is a plastic, so it was quite difficult. Still there was no result. Then again we shifted here, this one we removed, then we placed it back, still no result. Then we switched here, we removed this and place it back, no result. Again we removed this, this one we removed, placed it back, this one we removed, placed it back, this IC we removed, there was a corrosion nearby, so we removed, we placed it back, and finally we removed these two. But no result at all. So we can say we have removed maximum components which is related to USB from this side, and there was no result. So we had to switch it this side again. So here is the main thing. So this is one USB connector and here is one USB connector. Okay, so then we removed this first. We already tried earlier. So then we removed this first, but there was no result. Then we removed the second one, this one, there was no result. And finally we removed this, but there was no result at all. So I was forced to check the schematic and board view, what exactly is the voltage coming here. Now let me show you on the schematic and board view. So here you can see, guys, we removed this one, nothing happened. Then we removed this one, nothing happened. Then again we removed this one, nothing happened. Okay, U38. If we check in the schematic, U38, here is the U38. We removed this, but there was no result. Then finally we checked, there is a fuse here nearby, F4. Okay, that is here. Nearby this capacitor, this fuse we had to remove, and when I removed it, the problem was solved. But I was not sure which component was faulty. Then I checked the voltage, how much we are getting to this fuse. Okay, so it was the 5 volts, and which is going from this fuse to this capacitor, this filter capacitor. Okay, let me show you on the board view. So here is the capacitor F4, and it is going directly to this capacitor, the big one which is not there, which we have removed it, and here it is. This is the capacitor was there, which I removed it, and that is this one, EC19. So 5 volt was coming from this place to this place. Okay, by the name USB 20_VCC1, and it was not 5 volts, it was 2 volt, EC19. EC19, this capacitor. Here we were getting only 2 volt, 2.1 volt. this much I was getting. So I removed this. Okay, we removed this one, and then we start getting 5 volt. So let me show you how much voltage we are getting after connecting it. You will come to know. So guys, we have connected everything, and let's turn it on. So it is on now. Now you can see the display in few seconds. Check on the screen. The display is coming and the error message is gone. Okay. So here you can see, as I told you, the voltage at this capacitor, how much we are getting it. So here is the positive, and you can see here we are getting 5 volts. Here we are getting 2 volts earlier. That is why it was getting off. And the system is stable now. You can see it is not turning off. Okay. It's AMD Ryzen 5 processor. So guys, hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video informative, please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel.